Hello everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. So today, let's make one of our Goan's favorite breakfast delicacies, that is salad bhaji, popularly known as salad bhaji. And the best part about salad bhaji is it comes together in less than 30 minutes and is best enjoyed with pav or katre. So let's start making. I have got here 3 small onions and 2 large tomatoes, nicely washed. You can instead use 2 medium-sized onions instead of 3 small onions. Let's chop these tomatoes and onions into long slices like this. For salad bhaji especially, we need long slices of onions and tomatoes. Somewhat like this. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once mustard seeds start to splutter, add a sprig of curry leaves, 1 roughly cut green chilli, 2 pinches of hing, 4 to 5 garlic cloves and half-inch ginger, finely grated or even crushed will do. Saute this for a minute or 2 on a low flame. Now add in sliced onions. We just have to saute onions until they turn translucent. We don't want onions to turn brown. They should just cook little soft. See this. Now add in sliced tomatoes. Saute for a minute or 2. Let's add salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half to 1 teaspoon garam masala and half a teaspoon sugar. Sugar brings all the flavors together. You can of course adjust the masalas to make it less or more spicy. Mix all this well. Now add 1 cup of water. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on a low to medium flame or until tomatoes turn soft. Do not let tomatoes become mushy because we want that crunch of onions and tomatoes in our salad bhaji. Keep stirring it occasionally. If you think little more water and salt is needed, then you can add so. It's been 7 minutes now. Our salad bhaji is ready. We need this kind of running consistency for our salad bhaji. And at the end, let's garnish with some freshly chopped coriander. And our salad bhaji is all set to be served hot with pav or katre. And of course, a hot cup of tea. I hope you liked today's recipe. Do give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you in my next video with such simple and easy recipes. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.